Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how to achieve this super easy glowy and dewy sort of makeup look. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching and also do subscribe to my channel and like this video. So yeah, first I'm going to spray my face using this Marie Over the Excuse facial spray, and I'm going to dab it like so. Then I'm going to use this moisturizer from Pond's and apply it all over my face. Then I'm going to use this illuminator by Maybelline and apply it on the highest points of my face. I'm using a little more product than what is needed because on camera things don't show much as it shows in real life. So when you're doing it on yourself, try and use a little less product than what I'm using right now. So I'm using this eyebrow pencil by Maybelline again, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I'm shooting this video under natural light and you can see what this illuminator looks like. Now I'm going to use this foundation by L'Oreal in the shade Golden Beige, and I'm going to apply a very small amount and blend it out using a sponge. This foundation shade does not match me that well, but still I'm using it because it has golden specks in it, and since I'm going for a glowy makeup look, this foundation is going to add more glow to the face. And I just want to mention here that when and if you're going for a dewy sort of makeup look, try avoiding makeup products that is going to give you a matte finish. Now I'm going to take this concealer by LA Girl in the shade Natural Beige and apply it under my eyes, and I'm also going to use the same concealer to prime my eyelids. Just to highlight my under eyes a little more, I'm going to use this concealer, Age Rewind concealer by Maybelline in the shade Neutralizer, and I'm going to use the same sponge to blend it out. And for cream contour, I'm using this contour stick by Wet n Wild in the shade Oaks on You. And for bronzer, I'm using this one from Physicians Formula. For blush, I'm going to use this blush palette by Savannah Colors, and I'm going to take this pink shade which has a little bit of shimmer particles in it, and then I'm going to spray this illuminating setting spray by Cover FX. I'm going to keep my eye look very simple, and for that I'm using this Rosy in the Air eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild, and taking that orange shade on my blending brush, I'm going to blend it out on my crease. Then I'm going to take that lightest shimmery shade and apply it on my eyelid like so, concentrating mainly on the inner corners. Then taking that dark brown shade, I'm going to apply it on the outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm taking this brown eyeliner by Wet n Wild and making a small winged liner. And to set my face, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and taking it on a small eyeshadow brush, I'm applying the powder on the places where I could have some creasing, and I'm going to use this mascara by Essence and coat my eyelashes with it. Taking that dark brown shade from the eyeshadow palette, I'm applying it on my lower lash line. For highlighter, I'm using this one by Wet n Wild, and it's in the shade Precious Petals. I really like the way this highlighter looks on my face. For my lips today, I'm using the Colourpop Lippy Sticks in the shade Ziggy and just dabbing a little amount of it on my lips. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then you know the drill. Just do subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with someone whom you think is going to find this video helpful. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thank you so much for watching. Stay safe.